In today's video, I'll show you guys how to use the referral code in PUBG PC. Here you can able to see referral code eligibility. Read this, and I have an account the same way above the 10 level. I haven't played lots of days. To use the referral code, go to this icon, select referral code mission, select enter referral code, and you need to copy the code from your main account, my main account referral code 20970 dash 33522 and click on enter option. As you can see, referral code entered. My PUBG username is shown. So climb. This is how you can use the referral code. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.